Today's adventure takes us on a cruise to Maria Island National Park, around the island and onto the island. And that's our trusty steed. We had barely left the dock when our captain informed us that we weren't heading to Maria Island until later. The weather was just good enough that we could head for his favourite place on earth, Ile de Phoques, which we'd never heard of. We turned past Maria Island at a cracking pace and were soon over deep water away from the coast. After 45 minutes pounding across the ocean, we arrived at Ile de Phoques and approached slowly, so as to not disturb the residents.
So it's awesome for them. They also can access the shoreline all around the island, so they're sitting on the flat ledges all around.
After letting the seals get used to us, we were able to approach closer. Ile de Phoques is the only place in the world where seals climb away from the water up to the top of the island to sunbathe. An incredible journey they do daily. As well as the seals, there's abundant bird life. We saw a lot of common diving petrel, but there are also sea eagles and little penguins in the mix. There are some amazing sea caves, as we'll see later in the video.
It's even more remarkable. Have a look here beside us on the right. There are two caves. The big cave up in here, the big cave tucked up in there to the right, and then there's a little cave, smaller cave here directly on the right hand side. Both of those caves have tunnels that go right through the island. The big cave here in front of us, the tunnel comes up out of the water. So you will see daylight through it. Go through one tunnel, turn the corner, play with the seals, come back to the boat through another tunnel. Mums and dads are upstairs asleep. Possibly the biggest granite sea cave in the world. It goes inside the island so far you need a torch to see where you're going. It goes in 80 metres. It's 25 metres deep underwater. Seals sit at the back of it in the dark. It has the most amazing rainbow colours covering the rocks all over the roof and down the side of the cave. And it also has a window that lets light into the side of the cave and lights it up like a cathedral.
After the sea cave, we drifted for a while, enjoying tea and cake and watching the seals cavort close to the boat. And then it was on to Maria Island.